The biomass of sorghum can be used as biofuel. And also, the stalk can be used for building material. So beyond the Good day, my name is Dele Ayimibo and I'm your export doctor. In today's video, I will continue the conversation we started recently when we've been talking about different products you can export and how to export this product. We've looked at how to export cocoa, cashew, ginger, gum arabic, sesame seed, different agro commodity. And today, we'll be beaming our searchlight on sorghum. How to export sorghum from Nigeria. That is what we're going to be discussing today. How to export sorghum from Nigeria. Now, sorghum is not a product with a very large demand. You know, there are some products that have a very huge demand, but there's some other products that really do not have demand like that. When I mean demand like that, not that not that it doesn't have demand, only that it's not in the kind of billions of dollars like you have for other products in terms of but the global demand is not so bad. It's still better than a number of other products, but the demand is just about 3.3 billion. Some are even lower than this. Now, sorghum is a product Nigerian produce a lot. So Nigeria have an advantage in this product. If you're trying to export this product, some of the things you need to be conscious of is the fact that the moisture content should be between 10 to 14% to be safe for storage. Minimal percentage of broken kernel to ensure high market value. Absence of extraneous material. Absence of extraneous material like weed, seed, and debris. It needs extraneous material should be near zero. Pests and diseases. Freedom from infestation and fungi issues. And this is what guarantees product quality. Any other additional specification will be as stipulated by the buyer you are trying to sell to. But know that one of the products you can consider for export is actually sorghum. Sorghum is used for production of porridge, ground into flour for porridge, is used in baked goods, is gluten-free and rich in nutrients. It's a substitute for malt. Can be used to brew beer and other alcoholic drinks. It's also a sweetener. There is sorghum syrup that can be used as sweetener. Sorghum syrup can be used as sweetener. The biomass of sorghum can be used as biofuel. And also, the stalk can be used for building material. So beyond the usage of the sorghum product itself, it also have other multiple uses. Now, what is the demand of this product like in the world? 3.3 billion. The major buyer, more than 80%. Did I say 80%? More than 90% actually is from Asia. More than 90% is from Asia. Then you have the demand from Asia being 2.91 billion out of 3.3 billion. 2.91 billion to 3.3 billion. Africa is $202 million demand for sorghum. $95.6 million demand for sorghum in Europe, and that's really small compared to usual demand of Europe for commodities. South America, $70 million. North America, $70 million. South America, $17 million, and Oceania, $643,000. That is the demand for sorghum. So you now know where the market is. In packaging sorghum for export, ensure that the sorghum grain are thoroughly clean, dry before packaging them. Any foreign matter, debris, and excess moisture can affect the quality during storage and transportation. It's important to use food-grade bags. Employ food-grade bags made of material suitable for safe storage of grains. The bag should be clean, durable, and free of any form of contaminant. Now, the size of the bag is dependent on what you agree with the buyer. It's dependent on what you agree with the buyer. But the bag should be sealed tightly to prevent air, moisture, and pests from entry. To prevent air, moisture, and pests from entry. It's also important you do quality inspection before packaging to ensure only quality products are shipped out. Only quality products are shipped out of the country. Now, it's also important for you to ensure that you do the phytosanitary and fumigation certificate. Get that. That means you are inviting the government agency to do the inspection to issue the phytosanitary and fumigation certificate. And of course, for the buyer, the third-party inspection to check the quality and quantity. Now, remember your pre-export documentation if you are shipping from Nigeria, the NXP, the certificate of origin, sorry, the NXP, the export license, and the Nigeria Export Supervision Scheme fee, and the exchange control document like single good declaration and CCI, clean certificate of inspection, and of course the shipping document, bill of lading, invoice, and packing list. Bill of lading, invoice, and packing list. Now, what are the common problems when you export this product? What are the common problems you are likely going to encounter? Contamination with foreign matter. Remember, this is very common for every product that is commodity. Contamination with foreign matter, having debris inside, having pests inside can compromise the quality. To mitigate, strictly ensure cleaning and sorting process before packaging. Use sieves and air separator to remove impurities. Consider fumigation or use of insect-resistant packaging. Sorghum is also susceptible to the growth of mold and fungi, especially if it's stored under humid conditions. Under humid conditions. So ensure drying of sorghum before packing. Implement good ventilation practices. Avoid prolonged exposure to high level of humidity. Insect can also damage sorghum grain during storage and transit. Use insect-resistant packaging or incorporate insecticide in storage bag, or at least do fumigation to ensure insect does not. Moisture is a major challenge. Inconsistent moisture level in sorghum batches can affect the quality. Use moisture meter to ensure uniform moisture content. Implement proper drying techniques and monitor storage condition to prevent moisture absorption. If you have been following in the last about 10 minutes, I've been talking about this, you agree with me that this is a product worthy of consideration for export. And I've shown you the market where you will be able to get this demand. Okay, I forgot to mention that. I need to talk about that. I only talk about the region. I forgot to mention the market. The major market, 83% of the market is China, followed by Kenya, followed by Mexico, 2.2%, followed by Kenya, followed by South Sudan, followed by Japan. These are the market. I think it's just focus on China. 83.4% in China. That's a lot of opportunity in that market. Thank you very much for joining our video today. If you like what you've heard, click on the like button. If you want to be part of our community, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when we come up with the next video. The next video will be on ShareNote. For those that are interested in ShareNote export, the next video will be on ShareNote. Share with your friends who might be interested also. And remember to drop your comment if you have questions for me. My name remains Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.